mailbox, going to the mailbox, going to the mailbox, going to the mailbox. You be going to the mailbox, going to the mailbox. Mailbox, mailbox, going to the mailbox. Okay, I just got something new in the mail. It's an exhaust gasket that is meant for a 2002 Toyota Highlander. Okay, this is it. This is what it looks like. My gasket that I have is a piece of shit, and this one, as one can see, the gasket that I was currently using ain't doing the trick, as there is just a ton of fluid around the fitting here. So I picked up this gasket meant for the 2002 Toyota Highlander in the hopes that it's just a way higher quality. I mean, just look at this fucking piece of shit, dude. Totally fucking gone. Okay, I put it on. It looks nice and snug. Hopefully it doesn't leak everywhere. Yeah, I'll make sure to post an update video later on to just like a post video to document if there are any leaks or any problems with this.